Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I do my own passion twist hair, the techniques, my in-style techniques, how I tuck in certain pieces that pokes out like the tucking style, and if you're working with lighter color, how to even camouflage that as well. So if you are interested, keep on watching.
Hey, do the tuck game. Yeah, we got that.
So as you can see, I'm using two types of hair colors, one ombre and one very blonde. The texture of the hair is so super soft. It was very easy working with it. The curl pattern in that case was very complicated to find which way I had to twist, but I will show you guys in a bit how to twist it and what type of difference you see, if that even makes sense. So I fluffed my hair. As you can see, I pre-fluffed it because fluffing the hair gives me more volume. Just using it like that didn't. So I'm just gonna head off. As you can see, I already prepped my hair before doing a protective hairstyle. I always prep my hair. So before I even start in smaller sections, I like to do my side part and then work into bigger sections. Why? Because it gives me a better view on how to divide my sections. Just to give you a short demonstration, I found this video on Instagram just demonstrating you guys how to work in bigger sections, then afterwards in smaller sections to get the best result. So I just did that, and then now I'm just going to use my leave-in conditioner and spray it in so my hair is moistured, and then go in my smaller sections. I'm using my Shine and Jam Gel, and previously, as you could see, I used my leave-in conditioning spray from Creme of Nature. Alright, so I already went ahead and did the rest of my hair. I'm going to show you guys how I do my front so I can give you the full look. So I already braided my own hair. As you can see, I'm starting with this piece. I took about 3 pieces of hair, fluffed it up. I'm taking my crochet hook, I'm sliding it underneath my own braided hair close to my roots. I put the hair on top of the hook, making sure the latch is closed. Slide it underneath my own braided hair, making sure the loop is big enough. I grab my own hair and the passion twist hair through the loop, as you can see, and make sure that the knot is tight enough. Not too tight, but tight enough that it doesn't slide off. Now, the twisting technique. Every hair is different. You should try it a little bit for yourself to see what side it twists best. Now, I noticed twisting it to my right side gave me the look that I'm going for. Now, at a certain point, you see that my own hair is poking out. Don't worry about that. I'm going to show you guys in a bit how I actually tuck that one in. Alright, so it's time for me to show you guys how I tuck in my own hair that is poking out. So I just open the passion twist a little bit, as you can see, pulling my hair through. I just make a little opening and then I just wrap it around my twist. And voila, that's how you just tuck in your own hair that's poking out. As simple as that. Now I'm going to show you guys how I do the second technique, unraveling my braid, adding some gel, and then I'm going to start off with braiding my hair. So I'm using my own hair as a third leg. If you don't know how to braid, I did a tutorial, I think, on my channel on how to braid, or how I DIY my own braid, so it pop up somewhere here in the screen. And I'm not going to braid all the way down, just to a certain length, and I'm going to twist in the opposite direction. Now it's going to give me a different type of effect. I didn't braid my own hair as well, so I need to use enough gel so my hair stays in place, because the hair is super soft and very, very sleek. This is the results that I get. If you like this, you can do this for your whole head, but I was not feeling this. Yeah, I just didn't like it. So I rather have my twisted look like I'm just showing you guys right now instead of the butterfly look. And also the grip because of the hair is so soft, yeah, it just, yeah, no, I'm not going for that, like, no. So I'm just gonna repeat the process, taking my Shine and Jam gel on my roots, braiding my hair, my own natural hair, all up to the end, making sure the ends are sleeked in with a little bit of touch of gel, you know, just like that. And then using my crochet hook, make sure that the hook, the latch is closed when you're sliding it underneath your own braid. And then latch my passion twist hair on top of the latch, slide it underneath, make another loop, make sure that you grab your own hair and the passion twist hair through the loop, making a knot really nice, really tight, not too tight. Twist it to my right side. Now it depends what type of hair you're using. It might give you better results if you're twisting to your left. It might give you a better results if you're twisting to your right. Yeah, you have to test it out for yourself. So at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how I trim the ends. It's not going to unravel or anything like that, but just hold on to the end and I'm going to show you how I do that. Okie doke, so for my third technique, as you can see, I'm just going to do the same thing that I did in the previous one, nothing different, only this time I'm just going to clip a piece back and make sure I use a small section of that piece and wrap it around my own natural braided hair. Now, if you're working with a lighter color, this is a great way to camouflage it so you have that tuck in type of style, you know. I don't know if that makes sense, but you're gonna get that style. Make sure while you're wrapping the hair around your own natural hair, you use enough of gel so it's sleeked and wrapped really nice, you know, there. And I'm gonna do that all the way up to the end. Afterwards, I'm just gonna loosen up the clip and I'm just gonna twist it the same way I twisted the rest, really easy, and I'm gonna twist it all the way to the bottom. Because I'm working with an ombre hair color, I don't know if you can notice, but if you were working with a lighter color, you would definitely notice and you won't see any difference whatsoever. So once I was done with my hair, I noticed that I wanted like more volume, especially towards the middle there. So I'm just gonna crochet another passion twist in that same section that already has a passion twist and just add more volume. And I'm gonna use like 3 pieces like I did like throughout the whole video and add that. It's already fluffed up and it's gonna add, just like I said, more volume. As a follow-up, I'm gonna show you how I trim the ends because the ends are looking kind of fluffy. I just trim it really easy. It does not unravel, so don't worry about that. So that's about it, you guys. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's absolutely freaking free. And I hope my explanation was a little bit clear because it's always kind of difficult to explain stuff while you're doing it. So I hope it was clear and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!